Really like to thank all the owners who are the stewards of our public infrastructure and public assets. I'd like to thank the service providers who bring the muscle to help plan, design, and build, the technology providers who bring the speed to leverage data to turn data into assets, the professional associations who bring discipline to our industry.
Well, all of us work for an owner of construction. So the conference is built around what the owner needs and how we can help them. The owners are here present. They are the primary participants on panels and presentations and discussions. We all learn from them. Ultimately, it's their projects that we want to help make better.
We have the ability every year to choose a list of events that we decide that we're going to go to. And look at this, it's very boutique-ish. And so just to have this smaller group of 550, 600 people, where you're just talking to people that are in the same field as you, working on the projects that you've been working on for years, it's just the perfect event for us to attend.
And we get to really see AI and technology marrying up with the construction industry. And I think this is a great platform where construction management, project controls, and the software industry get to meet and network together. And it's fun. We've been having a good time, socializing, and there's the BMW race and golfing. And while we're here, we're also getting to enjoy each other and have a good time.
This conference is very valuable to most professionals in our industry. And now as a small business owner, it really created a platform where we get a chance to interact with the major companies and owners and be able to spend quality time with them.
Networking with like-minded peers, learning about innovation in technology. They spend a lot of time and energy into creating an environment where people can connect with each other outside of the sessions.
As an owner with the Department of Veterans Affairs, I'm able to talk to other federal, state, and local owners, make some really good connections with folks that drive competition. That's really what I've done for the last 4 years, is come and presented business opportunities from the VA's perspective. Really just create the bridges, create the relationships with people that have the capacity and the ability and the interest to help each other out.
So you can take out of this everything from enhancing a partnership, developing relationships. It's really a networking event. So what you're coming out of here with is a far greater understanding of the people that you work with throughout the year in a less personal environment.
It is a great collection of owners, contractors, consultants, a nice merging of the private and public world, and the topics are excellent, very high-level discussions about project finance, program controls, delivery methods, and I always enjoy coming here to talk to my friends and partners and spend some time.